attending the event, your resounding success and ability to effectively manage crowd, respond promptly to professional issues, and maintain a high standard of safety protocols has been truly commendable.
Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po for being with us. Na naging katuwang natin sa Mercedes. Peace and